Wow, it's like I almost forgot how to do YouTube. Just wanted to tell you, like, I'll be back. I did a poll on my Instagram and asked you guys what you would like to see more. It was like a half and half, actually. It was more on the vlog side, but like it was actually like kind of half-half because I had a lot of people still wanting me to do tutorials, which is fine. I will do that. By the way, don't mind me. I look so dead. Like, I did not sleep good last night. I have no makeup on. So I'll just catch up on a few things and I will insert some pics and all that. Basically, I got initiated into my sorority. Phi Mu. It's been an experience, that's saying the least. I got my big, everything like that. I've made some friends. It's been good because Mizzou's really big, so it's like super hard to like actually find a group of friends. I took a lot of cute pictures. Right now I'm on my way to school, by the way, if you were wondering. After that, I actually went to another college this weekend to visit my friend, and literally they had Nick Jonas there. Like, what? Like, it was free, like, to see Nick Jonas. Like, you best believe I was balling out to Chains. Like, that is my song. Like, that's still my song. I'm pretty sure that came out like a while ago, but I do not care. Like, he was also like playing some Camp Rock, like old music, and it was so good, and he's so cute. It was so great. That was really fun.
I like the way he's looking at you. Starting to think you won't get through. Crazy how I lost you, even though I know you love me. I turn the chain music up, and I'm puffing my chest. I'm hitting red in the face. Call me upset, it's such a fall back head. No disrespect, it's my right to be here. I still get jealous. Too sexy, beautiful. Anybody want to taste? That's why I still get jealous.
Yeah, just a lot of stuff. Like, I'm getting my summer schedule worked out for work. I really only want to work like 3 full days and then have 4 days off. That way, like, I just have time to relax. Like, school's been exhausting, honestly. I'll have time to do YouTube and do a bunch of fun shit and record it for you. I just can't wait for summer. Like, I'm so excited. I have so much planned. I'm just ready for this semester to be over. Like, ugh, it's awful. Okay, it's not awful, but like, holy cow. Like, 18 credit hours was a big jump for me. Like, I had 12 last semester, and it was just like that, plus the add-on of having to do stuff for my sorority, like philanthropy stuff, and just events that went on. Like, it was really hard for me to like even continue to do YouTube because I also have a job. Like, it was like pretty intense. So yeah. Hey guys, so right now I'm getting ready for work, and y'all might be mad at me at this point because it's Friday, and I said I was gonna upload a vlog pretty soon, but I decided I was gonna wait and like take some time, but and like include some different days. So yeah, my hair looks really ratchet. I am getting ready for work. It's not gonna look like this later, but oh, I thought I had chocolate in my teeth. But anyways, I just want to say, I have actually never tried this. I've had this sample for a long time, and I'm really excited to try it. So we're going to try it out. It's the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. So I'm going to apply my makeup, and we're going to see how it looks. So, I don't think it looks bad on my skin. Obviously, this is not like the best shade for me right now, but oh well, I work in like really dark lighting, so it's whatever. Not a big tone, like this is very yellowy toned. It is shade 5.5 Ecru. I don't know. But yeah, as you can see, it's pretty yellow toned, but this is in my like studio lighting. It honestly did not blend out easy at all. Maybe that's just because of my skin type, but I would think since I have oily skin, it would be easier. But I don't know. And also, like, I had to apply quite a bit. It doesn't look bad. It kind of reminds me of the Rimmel Stay Matte Foundation. If you ever done that foundation, it's a weird finish in a way. Like, you can tell you have foundation on, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna put the rest of my makeup on and then we'll do another check-in. Okay, one more thing I just realized. This is oxidizing on me and kind of turning orange. Let me put the rest of my makeup on. Once again, I just realized that, so wanted to tell you that. 1 second. Okay, so I'm done with my makeup. Like, literally, look at this. So, let me see. Oh, Minnie, what are you doing? Buddy. She's so cute. Come here, buddy. Look how cute this little girl is. Oh, she's so sweet. I'm going to grab that foundation. So, I feel like, y'all feel like this is a little darker than, we'll hold it like right here. I don't know, maybe not. Maybe I'm just tripping. Maybe I'm dumb. Overall, I think the finish looks really nice. Like, my other makeup went on smooth. I just don't like the fact that it's really hard to blend out. Like, honestly, it really is. But, you know, whatever. I'll use it. Obviously should have waited. Obviously, this is 2 different colors. But, like, also, I just wanted to say, literally, even though I put on false lashes, I freaking love this mascara. Like, I've never really realized how much I love it. The Tarteist Pro, that's just, or Maneater, I don't know. This might just be the Tarteist, I don't know. This is what it looks like. But I freaking love it. Okay, like, literally, it's so good. Like, if I wasn't wearing false lashes, like, this would do a great job of making it look like I was, honestly. What is up? Mad because I accidentally bought an eyebrow pencil, the ones you have to sharpen. Like, I didn't mean to, but, like, I'm, like, too lazy to return it. So, like, I mean, my eyebrows still look okay, but it's just, like, annoying. Like, I have to sharpen it every time or else it doesn't look good, and I'm just annoyed. It's the NYX one. Like, it's good, but still so extra. Okay, fixed. But anyways, anything new makeup wise? I really want to buy the Casey Holmes Palladio little lippies, but like I'm kind of on a budget crunch right now. Literally, I've been like so proud of myself because I have not bought like anything for like a long time, and like, yeah. So if you want to know how to like ball out on a budget, like let me know. I will literally make a video, and it's not going to be like your typical whatever. Like I will literally tell you how to ball out a budget because it's coming from the girl that literally spent probably thousands of dollars on clothes and eating Sonic and other fast food that was not good for me, whatever. But if y'all want to know, let me know in the comments, or let me know what else you want to see. I might do one more update on this vlog. I don't really know. I'm undecided. I don't want to make it too long. I don't even know. I like don't vlog. Like this is new to me, but I like it. It's like more unorganized and I can just do whatever I want. But anyways, I gotta go to work. I'm balling today. Today is a good day. My stocks are up. My grades are going up. Like literally going up, like legit. I got a lot done. I had to switch out some clothes. I have a lot more like summer clothes at my house now because I'll be at home. And I'm switching out all the winter ones. So one more update and then we're done. So anyways, I'll see you all in whenever I come back to the camera. I'm not used to this. Oh my god, what do I even say? I'm just gonna cut it off. Never mind. Guys, I literally am so happy. So I'm halfway done with finals and I just got my anatomy lab score back, which was definitely my hardest one for sure. And I got an 85 and like you don't even understand how hard that class is. And I needed like an 84 to oh my god, stop! I literally hate people. Okay, sorry, I'm driving. Okay, literally I had to get an 84 to maintain a B, which like honestly is good for that class. I'm so happy. So I just want to come on here and say that.
I could tell. I will never understand that, but oh well. Being ready is real, I don't know about you. She just
I know what grades I have to get in all my classes, and like I'm just like stressed out to the max. But summer is almost here. I'm so excited. Like 1 week left and I'm done. I can't wait. I'm probably gonna do a video on my favorite drugstore products, because I realized like a lot of my like regular makeup products I use are drugstore, and I feel like they do a really good job, even just compared to like high end. So I'm gonna do that as my next video. I'm gonna kind of do a mix of both vlogs and still makeup stuff, since it was kind of like undecided which one we wanted more on that poll. So yeah, but I will see you all in